Hi guys, Hamza here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the #1 Instagram hack that will change your business. Let's dive straight in. Let's roll in. So I want you guys to go straight to your Instagram account. Open your Instagram account and then look up for the search button, and up there in the search button different categories of feeds that are on Instagram, and they're like, style, food, art, music, beauty, and whatever. So depending on your interest, you can click on any of the category. Now those categories are having the different posts that are trending on Instagram. At the very top, they are the most performing posts. That is when you click on that specific category. So you can click on that #1, let me say in the beauty section. You just click on that category, and then it will bring up the different posts that are under that category. And then with that, you can look through the different posts that are appearing on that feed. Then you can keep scrolling and see whatever is being posted on that category. And then you can, depending on what you find interesting to you, you can click on one, whether a video or a post, and then you try to look through whatever has been posted on that account, because there it will bring up the individual, brand or person that has been posting, on that specific, picture where you clicked. So it brings like the account profile that has been making that posts under, under that photo, that specific photo where you clicked. Now you can keep scrolling through and see what they've been posting over and over again. If you find it interesting, now you can go to the bio and read through whatever they've been doing. Now, for a digital creative like me, I have now to find what value I can give to these people, what kind of service that I can do for them that they are willing to pay for, and they pay me when they are also actually getting value. So I will check through and say, okay, let me say, okay, I see this, person has a kind of a following, made a post with that hashtag in, and then they have about 5,000 likes on that post. And then I like actually the post, then I'll go and follow up on their, account profile. I see they have about 460,000 followers. They made a couple of posts. I go to their bio section, I see whatever they've been doing and what they're involved in and their interests. And then I realize they actually don't have a website. Well, this is a good opportunity. Then I can keep looking through whatever they've been doing. And then if I find that it's really interesting, or if you find that it's really interesting for you, then I can hit them in the inbox and tell them, hi, I'm the best web designer you'll ever find on Instagram, honest, and has been doing this business for a very long time. You will mention your time, whether 2 years, 3 years, and you tell them whatever you've been doing. Then you can tell them, I can make you the best website on a very reasonable price. My charges range from, let me say $300 one time, and then they can pay you about $10, $20, $30 per month for maintaining and doing a couple of things. You tell them, yeah, you are available for an open conversation where you can discuss further about this same thing. If they have a website, you can go and check out what kind of website they have and how it's working like, and how best you can improve that, how best you can bring them value. For example, in case they have a website but it doesn't rank for that specific website keyword, by checking through the search engine result pages, then you can hit them on mail and tell them, hey, I was looking through your Instagram account and I also checked out your website. It's really interesting stuff. I love what you do. But then I can help you in this way. I realize your website doesn't appear in the search engine for your specific brand keyword, and I can easily offer you that service for this kind of fee. Let me know what you think. I've actually been doing this kind of service for the last couple of years for these clients and these clients. And then you can tell them, it can range from between this amount of money and this amount of money, and you can deliver it in this kind of period. And then you ask them to let you know what they think. And then if you are not into the website business, you are not a web designer or a digital creative, you can be someone who is a photographer. Maybe you make audio bits, maybe you do short video intros, video ads. You can tell them, I'll make you one video ad that is going to revolutionize your Instagram account. Will get you more views, more followers, and more business. You can tell them that I've made this, kind of videos, and you can actually show them the couple of videos you've been making. If you are not into any of that, find what you can offer as value to these people, to that client or whoever you're contacting. If you do this thing for the next 100 people, at the end of the day, at the end of 7 days, those will be 700 people. This Instagram hack is interesting but very hard to execute. It is actually only executors that succeed in the real life. Well, it has been interesting and sharing with you my latest Instagram hack that is working right now. I want you to go down in the comment section below and share with me your experience from the people you've contacted using this hack. I'll be super happy to read from you guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll be bringing you more interesting content in the next days. Have a good time, guys.